Dennis again, back here at Roost Vans. Well, actually, I never really left. So what we're going over is our entire paneling system. We're going to focus on the upper. It's really this bamboo that you're seeing here. It's also available as fabric wrapping. Currently we're looking at a 148 extended body transit van. And we kind of did a customization of the light package. Typically our light package is one row of lights available as DIY product on our website. In this van we added a second row in order to increase the lighting quite a bit, actually. All the paneling comes in bamboo. It's finished in Osmo if you choose. It's a hard wax, super easy product to work with, to finish, to refinish, to buff up, and to maintain. It's also available as unfinished bamboo if you want to put your own finish on it, and as I said before, in fabric wrapped paneling as well. Comes standard in a gray heather as seen on the mid walls, and there's other custom options available as well on our website. Comes pre-cut, ready to pop in, compatible with our smooth rail mounting system. It is serviceable without removing your rails. So if you need to get into your ceiling, you can unscrew the thread forming screws and pull the paneling down super easy. It's really robust. We've installed this paneling in almost 100 vans now, and we've had great usage and great feedback from all of our customers for longevity. And in our mid-wall paneling kit, it's shown here with a padded gray heather fabric wrap. It's also available in bamboo. Typically, the padded gray heather fabric wrap is the most common option, and it comes as a kit that installs directly into the body of the van. Super cost-effective product, installs super fast, gives you a really good fit and finish. And in this mid-wall kit right now, what you're seeing in this 148 extended van are the inset bamboo panels. Now these inset bamboo panels give you much more usage of the width of your van. We don't do panel overs. It doesn't give you much more insulation effectiveness. It gives you a lot more insulation, but not much more effectiveness. And it completely eliminates this opportunity you have for more visual width in your van, as well as me being 6 foot tall, do my yoga pose here, then I can sleep side to side at 6 foot tall without having flare spaces installed. Super great opportunity for a value option in doing a DIY van build. Comes with these clips to install your inset bamboo panels. These panels are also available as fabric padded that are shown on the trim around, but we tend to mostly install the bamboo ceilings, the fabric wall, and then the bamboo insets because it's just a nice detail. Now another great way that we can help you get your van built and off the road and trimmed a little bit more beautifully is by, on top of our ceiling, mid-wall paneling kits, is also offering the lower wall paneling kit. We make this out of an anti-skid hex-ply. It's also available as fabric wrapped, such as the mid panel is shown now, and you can also do a bamboo finished or unfinished. You know, it's a really pretty simple and straightforward finishing option that takes advantage of our smooth rail mounting system for all your lower cabinetry and bed system needs, and goes in super fast. Easily serviceable. The mounting system does not entrap the paneling itself, so you don't have to remove your entire mounting system in order to access one panel. For a DIY build, that's really a good selling point because there's just a tremendous amount of flexibility in being able to build out your van and still have a finished look, and kind of during the build to some degree. So check us out at roostvans.com.